5, 10, 100, 1,000, etc., etc., etc. Before we talk about that, I want to do a couple problems. What if we did, hold on, let me find it here. 1.234 times 10, 1.234 times 100, and 1.234 times 1,000. 3 examples we're going to do, and then we're going to look and investigate and try to become brilliant, logical reasoners here. Let's do this one first. 1.234 times, and we've talked about hanging out zeros, right? We hang those out. You guys do that? All right, so I'm going to go times 10, right? Bring down my 0, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. Where does the decimal go in my answer? Somebody, we just did multiplying of decimals. Remember, the key is to count decimal places. How many decimal places do I have there, Zach Roth? 3. I have 3 here, none there. So I move it back 3 places. It goes 1, 2, 3. So my decimal goes here in my answer, correct? Everybody's good with that? I'm going to do this one. 1.234 times 100. Again, hanging out the zeros there. I bring down 2 zeros. 1 times all that gives me that. Where does my decimal, how many decimal places do I have there? Layton?
3.
So my decimal is going to start here. I come back 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Right? So I have 123.400. And then the last one here. 1.234 times 1,000. Bring down my 3 zeros. Multiply by my 1. 3, 2, 1. How many decimal places there? Joseph?
3.
And so my decimal is going to go right here, correct? Now, here it's time to make some observations. Let's first of all go by this. Remember, zeros at the end of decimals don't really make any difference, so I don't really need to write this. The answer to this was 12.34. Again, decimals at the end don't really matter, so the answer here is 123.4. Zeros at the end don't matter, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to put a decimal there. Anybody make some observations there? What do you notice about these? Somebody? Joseph?
I remember zeros.
Nothing, no, zeros aren't my things. Right? I just want you to make some general observations. Lauren? Okay. What you look at this is, look, when I multiply by 10, 100, and 1,000, the digits stayed the same as they were. I had a 1, 2, 3, and a 4, a 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 1, 2, 3, and a 4. The digits don't change. The only thing that changed was where the decimal point is. Okay, and Lauren said it. What changes with the decimal? Which direction, first of all, did I move the decimal? It started here and ended up here. It started here, ended up here. It started here and ended up here at the end of that. So, well, first of all, what direction am I moving the decimal?
Right.
To the right. So here is what you need to write down. Write this down in bold, beautiful letters. When multiplying by 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, whatever, etc., you just move the decimal, and it's important that you move it the right direction. To which direction? To the right, R-I-G-H-T. How many places do I move the decimal to the right? No, not, well, this one I moved it 2, and this one I moved it 3, that one I moved it 1. Lauren? the number of zeros. The number of zeros in the 10, the 100, the 1000, whatever there. That's fair. Okay, so here is the gist. Let me do one here. So let's say you have this. 3.642 times 100. Okay, here is one of the very, very few times people, I don't need to see your work. They actually really prefer that you do this because when you start doing things with a lot of zeros, people get really confused. And it's much, much simpler and easier if you just do this mentally. Okay, so if this happens to be problem number 5 in the book, okay, again, I don't just want to see the answer. What I want to see is this. I want you to rewrite the problem. It's just going to be 3.642 times 100. And then you just write the equal sign. And if I follow the rules there, how many zeros are there? How many places do I move the decimal to the right? So where's it going to end up? Right there. 2 places to the right. So you just need to write 364.2. I need to see this on your paper. I don't want to just see this. This is still doing it mentally, but I need you to write the problem down. Okay? What if it was this? 53.6 times 10. What is my answer to 53.6 times 10? You should be able to tell me right now. It is what, Caleb Fisher?
5.
Nope. How many zeros? I move it to the right one place, so my answer is? Connor?
536.
Yeah, or just 536, thank you very much. 536. Or if you have, how about this? What if it was 0.93 times 10? What is 0.93 times 10? Madison Sittler.
93.
How many zeros in 10? Move the decimal one place right. Is it 93?
9.3.
9.3. 9.3. It's a pretty simple little thing here. How about this one? 106.832 times 100. My answer will be, somebody out there in the mathematical world there, Chase.
106. 106.8.2.
Yep, 106.832. 2 zeros, 2 places over. It's a pretty, very, very simple thing. Okay. Please don't multiply that out. You just get confused with all the zeros as you start writing it out. Anybody think they have issue with that? You think you can handle that? One of the very, very